Thank you, LiONS, so much for having us here. Our province is facing a soil crisis. Every year, over 25 million metric tons of soil is excavated out of Ontario, while only 122 million metric tons of landfill space remains. As the space to dump soil decreases, the price continues to increase. My name is Assad, and I'm here with Dirt Market. We digitally connect earth movers that have soil with earth movers that need soil to save them both time and money. Every day, earth movers that are excavating soil have to ask themselves one critical question that could make or break their job bid. Where is the excess soil going once it's been dug up? Considering that soil transportation and disposal will make up an average of 18% of a project's costs, finding the optimal receiving site is a crucial aspect to the success of any project. The challenge is that aside from calling around and using offline networks, there's currently no way of knowing where the optimal receiving sites are located, what they are charging, or whether they'll even accept the type of soil that needs to be disposed of. This is where dirtmarket.ca comes in. Our members can quickly browse through receiving sites near them, request quotes with one click, communicate, and compare their options, all on one easy-to-use platform. The best part is, the connections that we facilitate on Dirt Market allow for beneficial soil reuse, which is like recycling soil instead of throwing it in the trash. On top of being incredibly beneficial for the environment, reusing soil can increase profit margins by up to 13%. Even further, the government is mandating soil reuse with new legislation. Over the past 8 months, we've welcomed over 900 earth movers to the platform and facilitated over 1,000 conversations while saving our members tens of thousands of dollars. With one subscription, earth movers get unlimited access to an ever-growing receiving and reuse site network. Dirt is big business, with $2 billion being spent on soil transportation and disposal in Ontario alone every single year, and dirtmarket.ca is positioning itself right in the middle of it. Our team has ample experience in construction, technology, marketing, and law, and our powerful advisory network is deeply rooted in the soil industry and behind us every step of the way. Looking into the future, we're currently on track to welcoming over 1,400 members to the platform by the end of the year. Next year, we'll be launching in Alberta and BC. Our LiONS conversations were great, and we've already begun to implement some of the feedback that was discovered, such as investing more in our marketing and our SEO. So LiONS, are you ready to dig Ontario out of its landfills and get your hands dirty with Dirt Market?